Welcome to the informative Me iPad Pro 4th generation, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should select the screen where we want to add the widget, and just to use it to do that we should hold for a while our device screen with the finger, and after that here on the left upper corner we can see plus icon. Just click here, and here we can see all the available applications which widgets we can add. So that will look something like this. This is the notes application, the music one, the maps. For example, let's use the calendar. We can see here 6 types of different widgets which we can add. For example, let's add this list. Just click here to add the widget. If you wanna move it here on the screen or between the screens, you should hold it, and after that just drag it. As you can see here on our main home screen, we got 5 different widgets like the weather, clocks, notes, calendar. Also, if you want to create a new widget, so that's also not a problem. Just by the same way, you should hold it and then drag it. If you want to remove it from your home screen, you should hold it and then click here to remove widget, or just to hold your device home screen and then click here to this minus and tap to remove. And that's it. Then just click here to done to save the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe to our channel.